Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I am back and I am so glad to be back. In today's video, we are going to be updating the decor in my formal living room and dining room. I hope you are looking forward to seeing it. To all of you who are here for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so glad you are here. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. Just in case if you missed it, my name is Dalou. I share glam home decor, cleaning, DIY, and a little bit of lifestyle. If you are interested in any of this topic, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my beloved Glam Squad, thanks so much for your love and your support. As you can see, I am starting in the living room, and you guys, let me tell you, I have some beautiful, super duper gorgeous ginger jars that are going to be available on my website. This is the first one, and let me give you guys a close-up and you can see how beautiful it is. It is gorgeous. Guys, I mentioned it to you a couple of times, but I'm gonna say it again. When you receive an item, you have to wipe it down to remove any dust that the product may have. Sometimes the product can be sitting in a warehouse for a little while or in transit for a little while, so it is important to wipe your product down to reveal the beautiful shine that your product has. For this particular decor, I'm going to be using two ginger jars. This is a big one, and I'm also going to be using a small one. But I also have a medium one. Let me show it to you guys as well. As you can see, they are beautiful. All three of them make a very stylish statement. I don't think anything else could be more perfect inside of them other than my white eucalyptus branches. I love them. You guys love them. Super duper beautiful. One of our favorites in my entire store. We're gonna open them up to make sure we don't have to use a lot. Usually a few branches will be good. I'm gonna move on to my sofa, and for my pillows, I'm gonna be using these beautiful pillowcases, of course, from my store. As you can see, they are very luxurious, and I love them. Inside my beautiful cases will be my beautiful pillow inserts. They are 20 by 22, a little bit bigger than the pillowcases. That's what you need. And as you can see, they are made in USA.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
And for my throw, yeah, I know this is my favorite throw. That's what I'm gonna be using. Super luxurious and glamorous.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
Today's video is brought to you by Dossier. Dossier is one of my favorite perfume brands at all time. For one main reason, they offer great and iconic scents at affordable price. I love wearing Dossier's perfume because I got tons of compliments whenever I'm wearing them. Today's scent is the Floral Aldehyde, inspired by Chanel No. 5 Eau de Parfum. Y'all know this is an iconic popular scent, and Dossier did not fail. It smells really good, very similar to Chanel No. 5, very fruity, great one for the summer. Other things that I like about Dossier, they make it easy, they offer free shipping. In addition, to keep your mind at peace, they offer money back guarantee. You can try any of the scent. If you don't like it, return it within 30 days. You will get your money back. And no question asked. I'm going to leave the link for the Dossier website in the description box. Use Dalou 10 to save more money. And if you have tried any scent from Dossier, leave a comment below. Let me know how you love it. For my accent chairs, I'm going to be using these ones. These pillows, they are the same as the Pro.
Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. And every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble.
On the side tables, I am not going to have any lamps. I am going to have these beautiful, super duper gorgeous ginger jars. These are another set of ginger jars that are going to be available on my website, glamstylehomedecor.com. If you're interested in any of these ginger jars, they will be available on July 15, they will be available. As you can see, we have 3 sizes, a small one, medium one, and a large one. They are gorgeous, you guys. Drop dead gorgeous.
Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say. But
I'm gonna move on with the console table by the window, and I'm gonna start with this beautiful wooden tray. Inside the tray will be this beautiful glamorous vase. Love this vase, and with these beautiful flowers. The flowers will be available in the clearance section in my store. They are pre-owned items.
tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't.
And then I'm gonna be adding some candle holders, these candle sticks, also in the clearance section in the store.
Tell so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry.
Okay, you guys, that was my living room decor refresh. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about the beautiful ginger jars. As for me, I love the decor. You already know I love white, I love gold, so it is perfect for me. I love the console table in the living room with the silver. It adds a different color. Thanks to Dossier for supporting today's video. Remember to check them out. The link will be in the description box. Thanks to all of you for stopping by. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos as soon as I upload. Also, set your alarm for the new product drop on July 15. I look forward to seeing you all there. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.